Hey guys, this is Jamie and Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I'm here to show the Anna Griffin Finishing School Holiday Open House card or craft box. Okay, so this was an auto ship, and I think there's one more left. And I figured it needed its own flipping video because it is so fantastic. I was like, oh my gosh. Had I realized what was going to be in this box. Okay, so let's start off this way. When it came out a few months ago, like I think at the end of last year or January this year, can't remember. You know, 2020 has been right? They showed the 4 options that were going to show up. Well, when it came to the Christmas option was supposed to be a door with like a transom type thing over the top and a wreath. So that's what I was expecting in this box. Well, let me show you. Let's just teaser, because we're gonna wait to the end. We're gonna wait to the end to show you what that is. Yes, I just decided. So here's the box. It comes like this. It's even got the little Christmas decorations. You can see the front. Notice there's not a door inside. All right. And of course it's the typical Anna Griffin, whatever. It's got the little pull tab so you pull out your drawer, right? So let's just pull that whole drawer out. The idea being that you can go back and store it. Now the fun thing is, which I just realized, is you can store it like this. Once everything is gone, and make a memory album or something. So let me just show you what's in here. First of all, of course, you get your foam dots. Then you get some sentiments, which I always love because her stuff is just quality. Now, I'm not overly fan, you know, sometimes it's, well, a lot of her stuff is way too frou-frou for me. So even if I liked the design, it would not be pink. Y'all know me. But I love the classiness of the stuff that she does. And then you can just take it from there. So you have sentiments. You have little pieces, right? So look at these tiny little pieces. You have to excuse me. My allergies and crap just are ridiculous. So you've got these little garland pieces. How stinking cute is that? I'm trying to see which is the best to make it focus. So you've got a bunch of these. You've got little topiaries. There's sleighs. Sleigh all day, sleigh all day, sleigh all day. Little wreaths. And this is the English teacher thing again coming out. The word is wreath with a TH, not an F. It's not a wreath. That's like in a coral wreath. Alright, so little Christmas trees. What else is in here? That might be it. Oh, nope, there's another Christmas tree in a little pot. I can't get it. There it is. Little. Right? So how cute is that? And it's mini. So mini. I love the mini of it all. Of course, you get your typical, there's your envelopes. You get your card blanks. Well, actually, it's not even really a card blank. It's the paper to make the card. So look at that. Double-sided. And I love the rich colors of it all. Gorgeous. That actually looks like the men's tie one from the previous box. That one. Love it. Look at that. Love it. The white brick. Love it. Okay, so those are your card base pieces. Then you have your card layers. We're just gonna take that off. And of course, you know, it's in coordinating color, so we'll just like that. I didn't see this one. Oh, that's a new one. That's not in the other one. I didn't see it anyway. So cute. Maybe I just missed it. There's that one. That one. No, I didn't. Those are extras. And those are the same. Then you've got a few white or cream color ones. Then, of course, you have the Anna Griffin gold. Gold, gold, gold. So that's beautiful, right? Isn't that gorgeous? Check out the colors and beautifulness of it all. It is the beauty of it all that we love, love, love. Okay, so now let's talk about what is sort of like a bait and switch. Because it was originally advertised as a door. But I love this, I love what they did so much better. So, look what they did instead. They did a house. It's a house easel card. I was so thrilled. And I was like, wow, I don't remember it being a house die. Because on the previews, it wasn't. It was a door. And so I was looking at this like, oh my gosh, I love this so much better. So much better. So see, they've got that. And now you see why all the little pieces are so many. I love it. So you know what I'm about to be making here pretty soon. What? So it's so cute. And I have this thing for houses. I don't know, for the last, like, whatever, 3 or 4 years. Houses, 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 houses. Stamps, stamps, dies, dies, houses, houses. Buildings that look like houses. It's just ridiculous. Maybe I want a house. Yes, I do want a house. So I was, like, uber thrilled when I opened this box. And I was like, this isn't a door. No, it's a house. Now, let me go through these pieces because they did it right this time. So if you remember, it was the Halloween house. They had these like dormer windows at the top, but they didn't have any dies to go over it. So I modified the windows to make it work. This time, they just went ahead and put that all in there. So you've got this piece here to go over the windows down here. This one goes on this over here. You've got your little sentiments that mirror what's in the thing. You have your roof. So that goes over this. And then you have the dormer windows to go over top of that. And you have this balcony. You have a candle, a lantern, this, and a Christmas tree. I was thrilled. Thrilled, thrilled, thrilled. So thrilled. So when I saw that it was a house die and not a door, I was thrilled. That's all I can say. All right, so that is this go round's Anna Griffin Finishing School. If you would like to see a tutorial on this, you can let me know in the comments below, and hopefully I'll get that added to my list, which is probably more likely since I really like this house. All right, see you guys later, and then I'm going to show you the Crafter's Companion Ultimate Christmas Box.